welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. I hope you're having a great day. Just a quick one today, and I wanted to show you a haul that I purchased myself. Now, you all know I'm a cardstock junkie. You can see all the fabulous papers and cardstocks and things I love getting. And I'm always looking for some fun rainbow cardstocks to add to my collection. And Hero Arts at Creativation launched their own Hero Hues cardstocks. Now, look at this amazing rainbow in front of me. Now, I have all but one of the 25 colours that they've launched. I don't have the cherry. I have ordered it. It was back ordered, but it's on its way to me, so I'm really excited to add that. And of course, it will be going in one of my wonderful paper trays to the side of me in this gorgeous rainbow order. I mean, look how gorgeous does all of this look. Now, Hero Hues, you get 10 sheets in a pack. You can buy an assortment. So if you have a smaller craft space, I know some of you like to buy an assortment pack, and then if it fits into your craft and you use lots of it, then you buy a pack. I think that's a really great idea too. You can do that. It comes in 8.5 by 11, and you can see the beautiful shades. So we have everything from bright pink, light pink, there's the dark, of course the cherry would kind of fit in here, light orange, dark orange, yellows. I love this mustard. If you've seen some of my videos recently, you'll know I'm really into my mustard at the moment. We've got different shades of green, we've got blues, the aquas, the purples, the plums, and of course lots of neutrals. It's a solid core as well, which is great. It's a nice smooth, it's thick, and I'm going to open some up so you can see. I'm going to open this one up, and it of course die cuts beautifully. I did try die cutting some of it already. And it's a nice heavy weight. I don't think it says on the packet the exact weight. Oh, it's 111 pounds, so it's a really nice weight. I made some card bases out of it earlier. It held up nicely as well. Of course, you could get it cut in bulk by your FedEx store. It's got a really nice, rich dye colour to it as well. I tried adding water to it. The dye doesn't run or anything like that. So I did do some kind of preliminary tests before I did this haul review, just to be able to kind of tell you the basics about it as well. But really loving this Hero Hues cardstock. I will of course link it up for you in the video description. There are a few stores who already have it in stock. You can also get it on the Hero Arts website, and I found some sales on it for you as well. So all of those links will be in the video description. I am in love with my new rainbow cardstocks. I hope you will love them as well. Maybe you've just seen some colours you want to add to your collection too. You'll be seeing these in lots of videos coming up. I cannot wait to work with my new rainbow. I hope you've enjoyed this quick haul. I will see you again very soon for some of your tips and tricks and techniques. I have some really fun things coming up, including some working with the new Lawn Fawn release. We've got new things coming up from Tonic. We also have the new Stampers Anonymous releases. Lots and lots of fun things coming your way, so stay tuned for those. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notifications of all of our videos. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed seeing this wonderful rainbow. And also we're doing a top 10 frequently asked questions about Nouveau drops, which is one of our viewer requested videos. So don't forget to drop your questions about Nouveau drops into the comments. And if you have any other videos you'd like to see us do, don't forget to drop us a comment on that as well. We'd love to hear from you and know what you'd like to see here on the channel too. And we always try to add those into our video list as well. So give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye.